I had a revelation this week. I spent a lot of time laying out and organizing my shop, but there's still a couple places like inside my cabinets and my junk drawer that are a complete disaster. For things like tongue depressors, glue sticks, and paint brushes. Maybe it's time to build a practical organizer that sits up on the countertop made from small leftover pieces of wood I already have. With a stop block set up on my mini sled, every small piece will be cut at the same width. Walnut was first followed by cherry and finally some oak. In all, I'll have enough pieces for 5 upright storage bins at 3 inches square. Though I could obviously tell what would be sitting inside each bin. I thought a laser engraved label and picture on the front of each bin might be needed. Not really though, laser engraving seems like it would be a case of forced over-engineering. Sort of like putting large black letters on the side of a Ferrari. That's say Ferrari when you already know it's a Ferrari. Putting up small signs that tell you things you already know make me feel like I'm standing in the middle of a Hobby Lobby. Home is where the heart is. Yeah, enough, I get it already. And then I thought, what if I lose power when I'm down in the workshop? How would I be able to find those glue sticks or tongue depressors? Let's bring some bright glow sand and epoxy to this party for a little more over-engineering. Drilling some wide holes on the base in front of each bin will give me a spot to pour a perfectly round glowing button in front of each of the 5 bins. I did a quick lights out test and the bright green glow effect looks pretty cool. With all the fabrication completed, it was time for sanding and finishing and the final glowing reveal. See what I did there? Glowing reveal for a set of storage bins that have glowing buttons in front? Okay, forget that, the finished countertop storage bins actually look pretty awesome. I hope you try this project yourself.
Well, that was the best AI-generated video so far, and by that, of course, I mean the worst. Not a single image of woodworking or the workshop. I kind of hoped I might see a Ferrari reference in the video, but nope. The actual organizer project came out pretty cool, and you can see that build video in the link that follows. Thanks for watching. Stay frosty.